This is the Daisy Lace Stud Brooch. I've shown you pictures, and here it is. There's a red cabinet there, which is reflecting in the brooch. It's not red, it's really white, glossy. And I have two circle mid-century modern stud buttons in the white brass also, because what I want to, and a strap, because what I want to do is show you how to style this stud brooch along with the stud buttons to get total control of a piece of knitwear. So this is a triangle. Oh, it's still going. This is a triangle with 3 blunt ends, and I'm turning it upside down. The yarn is blue brick. The colorway is feather. Goes from like a cream to gray. And I've turned it upside down so that I'm getting that blunt point at the top to form a shawl collar. This pattern is one I'm working on with a colleague, and we are developing scalable patterns for these, so it's not just one size, so because shoulder width matters to styling. And so they're coming, I promise. If you want to get the announcement, please make sure that you're subscribed to our newsletter. You can go to jeweldesigns.com and there will be a pop-up that will offer you 10% discount to sign up for the newsletter if you're not already signed up. So here I'm going to style this kind of most prominent part of the overlap, the edge, the upper edge, with the Daisy brooch. And it comes through to the back, just like all the others. Once you see the bead, then you pop the backing on, and then it's in place. So look how fabulous that looks. But now we have a problem. If we don't secure this edge, if I don't secure it, then it will fall down. Everything will migrate to the existing closure, which will mean this will come over here, and that's annoying. And that ends up being knitwear misbehavior that you're gonna just resent if you don't manage it. But it's totally manageable, and I can manage it in a blingless way by just controlling the upper and lower parts of the fabric with a stud button that's concealed under this drape of collar. And see, there's the circle. I'm gonna pop the backing on. So you can see it there, but it's covered up. So what you get is the look of the brooch. It's really popping. It's the forward design statement, but it's also collaborating with this other stud button that's helping to hold the overlap in place. And this, because this part of the fabric is falling straight down from that connection, I shouldn't have the problem of migration that would be annoying. So that is totally managed now. Here's the next thing I want to show you. How to convert the Daisy Stud Brooch into a cuff with the addition of a strap that we are now offering to be, so you can purchase it separately, $8 a piece for the different colors, or you can add it on to the brooch or the stud buttons when you purchase them for an additional $8. So here's the stud brooch. I'm gonna grab my strap, which has a little hole punched in it, put it on to my stud brooch. And now I'm going to use this as a cuff. I can double wrap my strap, and then I'm just popping the other side of the strap onto that bead like that, just to ensure total stability. I'll just put the backing on. No reason not to. And then it's a cuff, and it's just, I just love this so much. It was cast originally from lace. Years ago, I sent these lace pieces to Agus, my collaborator in Bali, and they've been just kind of sitting there. We weren't sure what to do with them, and now it's quite clear why we were waiting, because the perfect form had yet to be discovered. And here it is. It's on the website right now.